what's happening. It's the worst car wash. Every time it goes by, it leaks water on me.
You gotten the bird poop off. Ugh.
I'm soaked right now because it keeps spraying me as it goes by because there isn't a seal apparently on the window. I'm terrified. Oh,
seriously,
sucks.
if this thing doesn't get rid of that bird poop, I'm gonna be so mad. Look at it.
I'm so mad right now.
Look at both of them. They're disgusting.
My arms are tired.
Here it comes. Yo! Watch the bird poo. It's not moving.
That bird. Seriously.
Same with on Matt's window. It's not even budging.
Here it comes. You watch. Ah!
It's weird because it doesn't leak when it's raining. What are we gonna do about that bird poo? It's not moving. That one's starting to break down, but I don't know.
I hope that's over. My arms are tired.